Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and then I'm going to mix that with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2, just because I don't care for the P. Louise base by itself, and that mixture gives me the perfect little concoction. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline powder and I'm going to set my brow bone, and that'll basically help me when I'm blending out my transition color. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful pink shade and place that into my crease and pack that on my outer corner, basically forming the shape of my eye. Next, to blend out the edges of that pink shadow, I'm going to take this kind of reddish orange shade and blend those two together. And if you can really tell, the powder on my brow bone and the pink shade are blending very smoothly, just because it does something for me. I learned that trick from a YouTuber. Her name is Savannah Silver, and she always does that, and it gives her the perfect blend. Next, I'm going to be packing this purple shade on my outer corner and kind of bringing it into my crease. Next, taking that same brush I applied the pink shade with, I'm going to use that to blend out the purple. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm still using the P. Louise base Rumor 2. And over top of that, I'm going to apply this beautiful baby pink shade. Right next to that, I'm going to apply this beautiful soft turquoise shade. I love this. And then in my outer corner, I'm just going to pop a darker purple just to give it some depth. And next, I'm just going to apply this beautiful shimmery pink shade over top just to give it more of a pop. And now I'm giving myself a little wing. After this, I just popped on some lashes. These are Kiss lashes in the shade Chiffon. I'm sorry, not shade Chiffon, style Chiffon. Just moisturizing my skin, doing all my skin prep, and then underneath the eye, always remember to be gentle. That is my biggest thing with it. Next, I'm just priming my skin. Now, I know I look a little crazy, but with the Makeup Revolution foundation, because the shades jump so much, I don't actually have a perfect shade with them, but I love the consistency, I love the formula of their foundation. So I mix these two together and it gives me the perfect shade. And it's almost as if I'm highlighting and contouring already. And basically all I do after that is take the foundation shade that is way lighter than me, go under my eye and all my highlight points again, and just highlight. To set all my highlighted points, I'm just going to take that same Maybelline Fit Me powder. Next, to set the rest of my face and blend that powder in with my skin as well, I'm going to take this powder, this L'Oreal True Match powder. just to kind of bronze up the face a little bit, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics blush palette, but it also has contour shades in it, and this one is perfect for me. Next, just to hydrate my skin after putting all that powder on there, I'm just going to spray it with this mist. Next, for under the eye, I'm just going to take that same pink shade that we applied in the crease and outer corner in the beginning. I'm going to take that and run that at the beginning of my eye. Towards my outer corner, I'm going to take this beautiful dark teal shade and run that at the outer edge. Taking this Pure Skin Perfecting Powder, and this smells so good, and it's the perfect highlight for when you don't want to do too much and you want to do something natural. But I wasn't going for that, so I went over it with Rodeo Drive from OFALA. Just mix two blush together. They're both very shimmery blushes. I love shimmery brushes. I adore them so much. They do something so perfect for the skin. That is it, you guys. Thank you all for watching so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other kind of looks you want to see, and I can give those to y'all. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.